Hey yo guys, it's your boy Most Panda. Today I get a question from a follower in the YouTube asking me how to get a big arms. This is how I think I work out to get my big arms. So number one, you can see the elastic bands here, and two, and you can see the chill up, and you have the dipsy. This is the first things I use my arms workout. Number one, I use my elastic bands as I'm demonstrating. If you want to have a big arms, there's many ways you can take, like I would do your big arms workout, but this one I promise the best. I'm using two elastic bands, the light and the heavy. But if you're a beginner, you can use by light one for yourself. So number one, let's go. I go by elastic coil. You start elastic coil. At least if you are a beginner, do this at least 15 reps, okay?